Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. The solution. The equation is 4 to the power of x minus 2 equal to 15. This is the equation. We are going to apply this formula. A power m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. Here 4 power x by 4 power 2 equal to 15. We are going to do this cross multiplying. 4 to the power of x equal to 15 into 4 to the power of 2. Taking a log on both sides. Log 4 to the power of x equal to log 15 into 4 square. In power log formula, log m power p equal to p log m. Applying this formula here, x log 4 equal to log 15 into 4 to the power of 2. Divide log 4 on both sides. Log 4 by log 4 equal to log 15 into 4 square log 4. This log 4 cancels this. X equal to log 15 into 4 square by log 4. Now we are going to apply this log formula. Log AB equal to log A plus log B. Now x equal to log 15 plus log 4 square by log 4. Now x equal to log 15 plus log 4 square by log 4 by log 4. Again we are going to apply the log power formula here. Log 15 by log 4 plus 2 log 4 by log 4. This log 4 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 15 by log 4 plus 2. 15 can written as 5 into 3. X equal to log 5 into 3 by log 4 plus 2. Again we are going to apply this log product formula. Log A B equal to log A plus log B. Now x equal to log 5 plus log 3 by log 4 plus 2. Now x equal to log 5 by log 4 plus log 3 by log 4 plus 2 can be written as 2 square. Now x equal to log 5 by log square 2 square plus log 3 by log 2 square plus 2. Applying log power formula, log m power p equal to p log m. X equal to log 5 by 2 log 2 plus log 3 by 2 log 2 plus 2. Now 1 by 2 log 5 log 2 plus log 1 by 2 log 3 by log 2 plus 2 log a by log b equal to log a base b. Now x will be x equal to 1 by 2 log 3 base 2 plus 1 by 2 log 5 base 2 plus 2. This is the x value. To check with the equation that 4 to the power of x minus 2 equal to 15. Now 4 to the power of 1 by 2 log 3 base 2 plus 1 by 2 log 5 base 2 plus 2. This minus 2. This plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So equal to, now 4 to the power of, we are going to take 1 by 2 common. 1 by 2 in the power log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 15. 4 equal to 2 square. Now 2 square 1 by 2 open bracket log 3 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 15. This 2 get cancelled with this. So we have 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 15. A power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. 2 power log 3 base 2 into 2 power log 5 base 2 equal to 15. A power log b base a equal to b. We are applying this formula here and here. This value will be 3 into 5 equal to 15. Now 15 equal to 15. So LHS equal to RHS, thus verified and it is proved.